Good morning, students. Today our topic is area of the circle. We know area of the rectangle, area of the parallelogram, area of the rhombus, area of the square. These one we know. Now this is a rectangle. This one area L into B. This is square. This area side into side. This is trapezium. This area half cross out, height cross out, A plus B. This is parallelogram. This area B into height. This is a triangle. This area half cross out, base cross out height. So in the previous classes, these areas above on these problems we are using, we learn some problems. Now today, area of this circle. How do we find the area of this circle? Here see. This is a circle S. Now this is a circle. This is a center. This is a radius. Now this circle we are taking secant this part, so this is a bisector. So we are taking this one. Now this circle how to come in? See, these are all one circumference. Yes. Now how to come in that picture? Like a coming, like this is a radius, this is a radius. Now this is a radius, this is the radius. These are all one circumference. These are all one circumference. Here see. Now radius. So now we know. So now this is a base circumference. Yes. So here this actually according to the rectangle this is a base. But here we are convert this circle shape like a triangle. So this is a circumference. Now here base is a circumference. Base is circumference. Circumference 2 pi r. Now here see what this is. Now this is a center. What this is a radius. Now height. Here height equal to radius. So what is the area of the triangle? Now area of the triangle. Now here see area of the triangle. Area of the circle we write. Half cross out, B cross out height. Now half cross out, B 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Height r. Here see. So 2 cancel. Pi r square. Area of the circle pi r square. So this is a one circle. This circle we are take like a bisector we have, this is. So these one we are converting this like a coming. Next now these one we are folding this like a coming as it is. So now these all one base like a circumference. This is a radius. So now here height is radius, base is circumference. So height r, circumference 2 pi r. So now area of the circle like area of the triangle, half cross out, b cross out height. Half, b means 2 pi r, height means r. R 2 cancel, pi r square. Area of the circle, pi r square, right? And next one we are example problems. See on this picture. Next one, here some problems, we are see some example problems. Why I said example problems? See that example problems are given easily, so that problems you are understand, exercise also you will understand. See, they are given example problem 1. Examples. A wire is bent into the form of square of a side 27.5 centimeters. The wire is straightened and bent into the circle. What will be the radius of the circle? They are given. See, now this is a one wire. That wire length 27.5. So these wire length we are using only one side length, that is one side, just wire length. So we are using these wire length forming a square. So now square is 4 sides equal S. So one side 27.5 centimeters. Now 4 sides how much length? So that 4 sides length is equal to the using forming the circle. Now here see, length of the square side, how much? 27.5 centimeters. Length of the square side 27.5 centimeters. So now perimeter of square, perimeter of a square 27.5 cross out 4. What is the perimeter of the square? 4 into S. Yes. So 4 sides. So now see, 25 fours are, sorry, 4 fives are 20, 4 sevens are 28, 30, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So point after one number, point after one number. So 110 centimeters. So now this side 12.27.5, this side 27.5, this side 27.5, this side 27.5. Now these here cut suppose. So now these total wide length to 111 centimeters. Now they are asking these total length wide we are forming circumference like a circle. So these one we are bending forming a circle. So now circumference how much? 110 centimeters. Now here we are using perimeter, here we are using circumference. Circumference meaning length of the all side, length of the all curve. Here length of the four sides. Here 110 centimeters. Now what is the radius they are asking? Now here to here distance how much they are asking. So circumference of the circle is equal to the which picture? Perimeter of the square is equal perimeter of square is equal. So 110 centimeters. Circumference of the circle 110 centimeters. Now circumference of circle 2 pi r. Here see, circumference of the circle how much given? 110 now. 2 pi value we know 22 by 7. R value we don't know. Now these 7 moving this side, 110 cross out 7, 22 moving this side, 2 by 22. Now you are not a 6th, 7th class, you are 8th class, how do you know this one? So 1 RHS moving to LHS side, here denominator come to the numerator, numerators come to the denominator. Here see, 11 10s are 11, 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. Next 7 5s are 35 by 2 equal to R. So now R equal to 35 half how much? 17.5. So now R equal to 17.5. Radius 17.5 centimeters. The picture radius, right? Next one. Tomorrow we have finished the 9th lesson. Next one here, see. The circumference of the circle 22 centimeters. Find its area and also find the area of the semicircle. Here given example 2. Given circumference of circle, like a perimeter of the circle given 22 centimeters. So what is the radius they are asking? So circumference of the circle 2 pi r. So 22 equal to 2 cross out 22 by 7 cross out r. So these 7 moving this side, cross out, these one moving this side, like a division. 22 1 22 2 So r equal to 7 by 2, value 3.5. Next, radius we know. They are asking area. So area of the circle, pi r square. So pi value we know 22 by 7. R value 3.5, cross out 3.5. Why 2 times me write? Here see, r square means r into r. So r value 3.5 into 3.5. So 3.5 1 jar, 3.5 2 jar, 2 1 jar, 2 11 jar. So 11 cross out 33.5. 11 5 jar 55. 11 3 jar 33 plus 5 38. Point after one number. So this is the area of the circle. Next they are asking area of the semicircle. Now see, this is a circle. This area pi r square. Now semicircle means this is a semicircle. Now this area. So now this area, total area pi r square. So now this area, this is a half part. So now area of part coming. So half cross out pi r square. So area of semicircle pi r square. Half cross out pi value 22 by 7, 3.5. So we know 3.5 1 jar, 3.5 2 jar, 2 1 jar, 2 11 jar. So 38.5 by 2. How much? 38 half how much? Like here see, 2 1 jar 1, 2 9 jar 5, 2 2 jar 5. So 19.5. 38 half how much? 19. 50 half 25. So 19.5 area of the semicircle, centimeter square area. Next one, only remaining one or two examples problems we are seeing. After we are going to the exercise. Next one, one different problem. Here now this is a one circle. Now this is a one circle. So this circle area we are easily set pi r square. This area we are easily set like a capital R we take pi r square. But these shaded region, how to we are find out the area? Here see, first these radius we find out. After these radius we find out. Both one, this one removing, like remaining this part only area. Now see, area of path of the circle. Area of circular path, like here see, area of the small circle, pi r square. Area of the big circle, pi capital R square. Why here? Both we are taking small r, we are confusing. So that's why I am taking big r difference. Now big circle. Now here see, area of the circular path. Here see, first big circle or area of the big circle minus area of big circle minus area of small circle. Simply derive. Here see, area of the big circle pi r square minus area of the small circle pi r square. Here common what? Pi. So pi common r square minus capital R square minus small r square. That is area of the circular path. Here one example problem here see. Now here radius 4 centimeters here given. Here to here 10 centimeters given. What is the circular path area they are asking? Yes, what is the circular path area they are asking? One time observe that formula. See, like a example 3. A radius of small circle. How much? 4 centimeters. Now radius of this small circle 4. So area of the inside circle or small circle. So pi r square. Pi 22 by 7. 4 cross out to 4. How much? So 22 by 7 cross out to 16. Their value 3.1. 4 1 4 cross out 16 ma these one division 7 3s are 21 1 point so 0 7 1 ja 7 3.74 20 so this is fixed value pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14 now how much 16 4 ja 64 16 1 ja 16 plus 6 22 point 16 3 ja 48 50.24 centimeter square so these one area next radius of big circle how much radius of the big circle they are given 10 centimeters now area of big circle area of the big circle pi r square so 22 by 7 cross out 10 cross out 10 3.14 cross out 100 here see area of the big circle pi r square 22 by 10 cross out 10 so 10 cross out 10 100 3.14 so 314 point centimeter square so now here this area how much 50.24 now this area including this one also 314 so here total area of this one so 314 minus 50.24 subtract 263.76 is the area of the circular path. Next one, exercise 3.4. Exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2. Their first problems are read. They are asking here see a rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 centimeters by 25 centimeters. From it 56 circular buttons each diameter 3.5 centimeters have been cut out. Find the area of the remaining sheet. They are asking here. Now this is a one rectangular circular sheet. So they are asking, see now this length how much? 36 this length. These length 25 centimeters. On the rectangular sheet 1 button, 2 button, 3 buttons, 4 buttons, 5 buttons, 6 buttons, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This like 56 buttons on this rectangular sheet. So each button diameter 3.5 centimeters. So first area of this total rectangular sheet each button how much? Total how many buttons? 56 buttons. So 56 buttons area how much? So these area subtract 56 buttons area, remaining is area of the remaining space. First one. Here first problem. Now length of rectangular sheet. Length of the rectangular sheet. How much? 36 centimeter. Next one. Breadth of the rectangular sheet. How much? 25 centimeter square. So now area of rectangular sheet. See, L cross out B. So 36 cross out 25. 36, 25 6 are 150. 25 3s are 75 plus 15. 90 centimeters square. So now these rectangular area of the sheet how much? 900 centimeters square. Now after each button area of the button how much? Here given diameter given. Diameter 3.5. So now radius equal to d by 2 formula. So how to say diameter equal to 2 radius, 2 moving this side, d by 2. So 3.5 by 2 like diameter equal to 2 radius. Yes, this is a circle, this is a radius, this is a radius, 1 radius, 2 radius, but this total diameter. So diameter equal to how many radius? 2 radius. Now 2 moving this side, d by 2, r equal to diameter by 2. So 3.5 by 2. So how much 3.5 by 2? 7.5 centimeter. Like a here see division. 2 1 ja 2. Whole number division finish. 0.150. 2 7 ja 14. 1 point also here 0. 2 5 ja. So 1.75 centimeters. Now R we know a radius of each button. Radius of each button. Now pi r square. Pi value 22 by 7. R value 1.7. Cross out 1.7. So both one you are multiply 1.7 and 1.75. How much value? How much value? 175, 175. 5 5 25. No, here both side 5 5. So 17 after 18. 18 7 jar 126. 18 1 jar 18 plus 12 30. So 306. 306.25. Here point. Point after how many numbers total? Here 2, here 2. So now 3.0625. This is a shortcut form. Here see, like a 1.75, 1.75. Both side one places 5. So 17 after number, which number? 18. So these both are multiplied. 306. 5 5 is 25. So here point after two numbers, point after two numbers. 3.0625. 22 by 7, 3.0625. So there how much value? 22 by 7 how much value? Already I said 3.14. Yes, 3.14 cross out. 3.0629, like here see 3.14. Now 3.14 cross out. 3.0625. 9.6162. 9.6162. That is the area of the each button. Their total how many buttons? 56 buttons. Now area of the total buttons you find. Area of 56 buttons. How much? Area of the 56 buttons. So 9.6162 cross out 56. 25 here. How much? You multiply. Multiply mass. 538. So now totally 56 buttons, area 538. So now area of free space rectangular sheet equal to area of rectangular minus area of 56 buttons. Here see 900. Area of the rectangular sheet how much? 900 minus 538. How much? So here 2, here 6, here 3. 362. So remaining like a here free space here centimeter square. Right. Okay, shall leave the class. Remaining problems you try at home. Take care.